Everybody frustrated. Gas prices keep going up little bit by little bit. Everybody frustrated. Then they wait till you go to sleep before they change the price. They don't do it when it's with their time. They wait till you go to sleep. You wake up in the next morning like, who the hell climbing the pole? They didn't. Somebody didn't climb the damn pole again. Black people, we don't give a damn about gas prices. We just look at them go up and down. We don't really give a fuck. Tell you why? Because we don't be getting shit higher than our pump number. We be in there telling me, let me get 4 on 5. Yeah, let me get 3 on 4. What pump you on? 2? Let me get that 1. Fuck it. Let me get that 1. Let me get the hell on out of here. We always try to act like we got somewhere to go. Let me get that 1. Let me get the hell on out of here. Just trying to turn this damn light off. If I can get this light to go out, I'll be all right. I ain't going no damn where with this light on. You ever see somebody walk in the store with some change and try to walk out real fast? Let me get that on that. Thank you, sir. They be like, what pump you on? Whatever pump I stop at, just turn them all on. I got this. Don't do that. Don't act like that. Just help me, help you, help us. Don't do that. Just turn them all on. This ain't your store. Just go and do what I say. They come on a little intercom, sir. Your 32 cents has expired. Can you please? Don't do that. Come here. Don't do that. When you're embarrassed, you always want somebody closer to you. Come here. Don't do that. Come here. Don't do that. Come here. Don't do that. I just got to show you something. Come here. Don't do that. Don't you hate when you ride with somebody and they gas light on, but they keep telling you everything's straight? You be like, no, it ain't straight. Your gas light on. How the hell you pick me up with your gas light on? You supposed to at least pick me up on a half a tank. You pick me up fucked up. How that happen? Gonna start my day out fucked up like yours. Don't you hate when you ride with somebody and they keep passing by gas stations trying to find a cheaper one? They sitting right in front of the gas station, $3.45, and they fuck that. I'm gonna ride down to Augusta. They $3.44 down there.